Hello stock traders, I hope all of you had a profitable day on the market. Today was not the best of days for me, but could have been worse. The market did not perform very well. Over Monday and Tuesday, I enjoyed really nice gains. I'd hoped that would continue, but got stopped a little bit today from that. So today I finished with a 0.55% loss, so a very small loss. Did better than the market though, so I feel good about that. Month to date, I'm currently at a 3.91% gain so far in June, and year to date at a 76.98% gain. So doing well this year, looking to do better and to move that even higher. My goal is at least 300%, so hopefully we can hit that. Let's see what we can do. Before we get started though on this video, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, consider subscribing and turning on those bell notifications. That way you get notified when one of these new top 7 videos comes out. And also, I want to hear from you. Please reach out in the comment section down below if there's a stock you want my opinion on. I'm more than happy to give my opinion. Now, they are just my opinions. I'm not a financial advisor. Of course, you need to do your own due diligence. So I have some sales to report from the top 7, and I really appreciate being able to step back on Tuesday and Wednesday. Looking forward, though, to the rest of the market day, and Friday should be very good on this short week. So I have some stocks to report that I sold. The first one was pick number 5 out of the top 7. I sold SELB for a 6.42% gain. Sold that on Tuesday. Saw an opportunity to make money. Took my profits, and that was it of that. I will have a new pick by the end of this video, so you will want to stay towards the end. Also sold number 4, CLRB for a 9.87% gain. I did that on Tuesday also. And number 1, I sold number 1, MGTA for an 8.43% gain. I did that on Tuesday also. Okay, so we will replace those, but let's review the top 7 and how they're doing. Number 7 is RPRX, and today it finished up 1.65%, and it is doing well on its way towards its PDUFA run-up date, which is coming soon. Number 6, VNRX, still have that, and today it was down 0.28%, so that one hasn't moved yet, but it should move soon. There's a conference coming up on that I'm expecting to be very good. Number 3 is AUTL, and today finished down 0.95%, so had a little bit of a rougher day. And number 2, SAFE, S-A-F-E, still have this down 0.53%. This one has had constant insider activity, and I'm expecting it to move. All right, now let's get to the state of the market. Let's cover the SPY. We're going to cover the SPY. We're going to cover the Russell 2000, the triple Qs, and the VIX to see how things are shaping up on the market at this moment. And this is brought to you by our Patreon group. We have a Discord that's attached to it with lots of great members inside in different levels. There is something there for you. And for the small amount that it costs, you will easily make that up with just one great trade. Tons of great trades happening each and every day. Between the insider swing play, the PDUFA run-up play that's covered in our basic room. And in the standard room, we got a short squeeze play, just sold AMC. That was a real success. And others, there are lots of other plays in that room that are really terrific, and also a lot of day trade ideas and great ideas from my buddy John. And then we have our premium room also that covers everything. So anyway, check those out. We have a link in the description down below. I think you'll be glad that you did. All right, let's get to the market. Let's start with the SPY and take a look at what is going on. So we still have this green crossover on the daily chart of the MACD, although it could be rolling over. So this could be the end of our short little run of a wave 5. It could be a pathetic little wave 5. So one thing I'm watching for is for this to roll over and go negative. There are certain price targets that are very concerning to me. One is 416 level. I would not want to see it break below that. That's a level of support that we don't want to see break down. And but I am hoping that this bounces up further and continues up further. All right, let's get a look at the Russell 2000, and this is looking very good on the bottom here, although today's candle was not very good. Today finished down 0.84%. It's up in after hours, but this is just kind of chopping around and being kind of a whipsaw. There's no real direction going yet, so hopefully that will form here soon, and we should get a move upwards soon on that. Let's go to the triple Qs and see how they did today. The good old NASDAQ and the triple Qs. Again, it looks like we could have some rolling over here, and so this is something really to watch. It's becoming very concerning to me, but there are some levels to kind of, again, this level of 328 is a support level, and it bounced off of that, so that was very good to see. And so we shall see what happens tomorrow. Let's take a look at the VIX. This is the fear indicator, and this is so important to take a look at because as the price on this goes down, fear leaves the market, and today it was up 3.20%. So there's a little bit more fear kind of coming in here. So there's some nervousness definitely in the market. We shall see what we get tomorrow. Hopefully, there's lots of great biopharmaceutical plays that could go crazy over the weekend with the ASCO conference. So, all right, now let's get to the 3 stocks that we are looking for to replace our top 7. The first is, and I've talked about this one before, is NVIDIA. And NVIDIA I'm putting on the list at number 5. And this stock has really been fantastic. Let me tell you what's going on with it. First and foremost, NVIDIA today finished up 1.14%. My average in it is $605.78. Now, I called this out last week, and I've been talking about NVIDIA ever since. Since calling this out, I am up 12.05%. Hopefully, you got in on this and are making great money on this. Analyst average target price is $715 a share. And they have a stock split coming up, and so that is a big catalyst because the stock price is going to be going quite a bit down. And so investors see this as an opportunity to pick it up because it's cheaper. And so I think there's a lot more room to run. This has been a fantastic run, but we are not even close. They had a fantastic earnings report. People were concerned about earnings. They blew it out of the water. So another reason to be excited about NVIDIA and all the things going there. And I think this will continue. And this is a good stock still to get in. Okay, now let's get to the next pick. Replacing number 4 is SCOR. So this is ComScore. So there's a couple reasons why I like this. Today it was up 10.49%, but it has so much more to go. I don't think we're anywhere even close to that. Lots of potential in the stock. My average in it is $4.22. Since calling this out and in our Discord, I am up personally 2.37%. This had insider activity late last night, and this was a good one to get into. This is ComScore. Analysts have an average target price of $4.18. And a director buy in open markets, what got me excited, that was reported yesterday, and very, very good. And so this should continue to move up. And so Spike Trap is they are going to partner together with that to offer cookieless gaming. And so that was a great news event that came out, and investors responded positively to that today, and also up in after hours too. So this is one I think that will continue to move, and this should be a great pick for you. Even though it's been up and it's already up 10%, I think there's so much more potential here to go. Okay, everyone loves a short squeeze. OCGN. Okay, so this is Ocugen. Is heavily shorted. So the short float right now on this is 20.86%. Anything over 10% is considered high. And so this has the same short percentage almost exactly of AMC. And so this could really, really fly, especially if there was good news to come out. Now there's a presentation this weekend at the ASCO conference. And so that today, along with today's price action, today this finished down 5.98%. Beautiful time for you to get in. As you can see here, it's down to 889, 5.88. I wanted to pick out a stock that I think everyone would be a blockbuster. And so that is definitely my hope. Obviously, I don't know what's going to happen with this stock, but I really, really like it. Some things I like here is that we've just today, and it went down below by close, but we had the MACD Golden Cross finally happen. And so that is really, really strong. We are not overbought on the RSI by any means. Analysts have an average target price of, there are quite a few analysts that are over $10 on this, and so that is good also. And then also they could have good news, and you can see in the past this has really squeezed upwards and done so fast. So this could be really, really big, and this is the beginnings. This chart is nice and calm. There's nothing really kind of happening here. It's just kind of calm. It's the calm before the storm. We could see this really rise. You can see some people got in here at the end of the market day. Anyway, I think this could be really, really powerful, and I think it's one that you will want to get in. All right. Well, I wish all of you the best on the stock market each and every day. I appreciate all of you who watch and all of you who support me through our Patreon group and are part of our Discord. So much appreciated. I love doing what I do every day, and you all help me and motivate me to do that each and every day. Wishing you all the best, and Raythoven out.